Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the backlight will turn off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to open the menu. To do it, press and hold the up button. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called the system and select it, and then press the start stop button to enter. Next, scroll down through the menu, select the option called the backlight and press the start stop. And here we have two options. We have during activity and not during activity. Basically, this is two states of the watch. You have during activity state and not during activity. During activity means when you're recording activity on your watch, like running, cycling and stuff like that. And not during activity means everything else. So basically when you're using your watch normally. First, let's select the during activity and press the start/stop. Here, scroll down through the menu, find the timeout option, select it and press start/stop. And here we can scroll through the list of durations. Find the one you like, select it, for example 30 seconds, and then press the start button to confirm. Now the backlight will time out automatically after 30 seconds of an activity when your watch is recording an activity. Okay, let's go back. Select not during activity, press start, scroll down, select timeout, press start, scroll through the list, select the timeout duration and press start to confirm. And here we have 15 seconds, and basically it means that the screen will, or backlight will turn off after 15 seconds of an activity. And once you're done customizing the settings, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the backlight timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.